Okay, we are going to get ready to ride out to Worth to get the weights checked out on the back. Aaron gave me strict instructions. If I happen to feel any wobbling, flash the lights, let him know. But I think we're going to be just fine. It feels good to be on the bike. Been off of it for a while. COVID hit the household. Aaron wasn't feeling good. I just got a bad cold, took the COVID test. I think he got kind of irritated because mine always came up negative, and his would, bam, positive. He's like, oh, you got it, you got it. No, nope, nope, nope.
Hi, Road Rush Nation. You know, we always are talking about how you should walk around your bike, check everything out before you take off on a long ride. You know, you're checking for your air pressure, you're checking for any oil leaks, you want to check your oil and so on. Just those common things that you should, air quotes, you should be doing each time you ride. Don't always do it, but I happen to be walking around my bike, just checking it out, and I noticed something laying next to my back rim, and I was like, what the heck is this? Then I flip it over. Guess what? It was the weights off of my bike. Check this out. Yep, those are the Harley ones. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see this one here. This was the ones that were put at the Harley plant. I had two sets of these, one on each side of my rim laying on the ground. I was like, oh, great, they just plopped off. Now, I only have 3,000 miles here on the Arctic Blast. And we've taken some long trips. You've seen, we recently put out the Indiana one, I've gone down to Arkansas. And just to come in, and it's just, you know, stickum that's on the back of these things to have fallen off. And I have two sets of these laying on the ground. Doesn't make you feel warm and fuzzy. And we decided not to take any long trips until I get that back rim balanced properly. So we're heading out today back to Worth Harley-Davidson, who says, oh yeah, if your bike's still under warranty, we'll get it taken care of. It's not like a big deal, but if you're going for long trips and then all of a sudden you start having, you know, just depends on how bad out of balance your rim is, it can be pretty dangerous. So anyway, we're gonna take a trip back to Worth and get this taken care of, and I may just check out a couple of items, maybe a new suspension system, maybe some Legends, just to check them out and see if what that whole deal would. Do I want to stay with just the stock, or maybe I want to upgrade? Anyway, come along as we go get this fixed on the bike today.
Yep, we're ready. Let's go. What? Fuel? Just under a half a tank. I guess I should make sure we got fuel. That would suck. Okay, the dust is a little much here. Let me catch up with Aaron. Because the road's so dry because we haven't had rain that, yeah, you create a dust storm. There we go, a little better. Oh, shade. There, now we're onto asphalt. Do you ever just, oh, let me put that down. Maybe you can hear me better. Do you ever get that feeling when you get on your bike and it just feels so like, natural? It's the best ever. Give it a little romp. Feels so good. Great, we got a train. Lift the lid here, so because it's hot. Oh, land auction. Anybody want to buy some land? And boom. Oh, we caught it just at the end. That was good timing. We don't have to sit here in the heat for too long then. doing a weave through here sometimes looking for potholes. Ah. Just trying to be smart. And here we go. I know you see the Lexus sign, but on the other side is our Harley sign for Worth Harley-Davidson. If you're in the Kansas City area, Worth will take good care of you. They also own the Outlaw Harley-Davidson that is on the east side of Kansas City. Oh, I bet you they're getting ready for a rider's course tonight. Always clean it up. Yep. All right. Let's get in here. Get into the service department, and we're coming in on the back side. We always come in on the back side because the city in their infinite wisdom has changed a pattern. And anyway, we end up on the outside just because. Oh, see, look at, there's the, I always laugh when you see the Outlaw truck. We're at Worth Harley-Davidson, but you'll see the Outlaw trailer and truck because they, move bikes around and such for everybody. Oh, there must be something going on tonight. We may just need to stay and have dinner. Who knows? Alright, we are here. Yep, so we are leaving Worth. Just got the bike completely done, and I'm glad it did. They ended up putting 7 ounces on that rim. So that kind of shows you how much those weights were that I had come off of there. So, and I had 6 ounces is what I showed them and gave them. So it kind of tells you. And I had noticed on the ride in fact, I asked Aaron, even though we were on that soft new asphalt, I asked him how smooth it was for him. Well, I was getting a little bit of a bounce. Well, now I know why. With 7 ounces, and I can feel it already. The bike in the back is riding much smoother already. So take the time, walk around your bike, because you just never know. It's not the usual things you're just thinking. It could be something else completely different. So till next week, guys, ride safe. Don't forget, life's too short. Let's go ride.